Welcome to Grandma and Me. Today I am going to be making a Thanksgiving slime smoothie. So let's get started. Okay, I have these two plates that I already have the slime made up, and I have put it in these sectioned off plates for the different kinds of foods that we eat at Thanksgiving. And I am going to start with making this one a brown color for the turkey and the gravy. This brown color can represent whatever color meat that you have for your Thanksgiving dinner, if you do celebrate Thanksgiving. I'm going to take this right up. So I can get that brown color incorporated in good. Oh, it's coming good. I think maybe just a little more. Oh, this is looking like turkey and gravy already. Whoa, I'm happy with that, so I'm going to put that back. Make sure I have all that brown color off. All right, we have our turkey and gravy, and next I am going to add, even though this is already white, just for fun, I am going to add some white in for the mashed potatoes. Make this really white. Oh, this is so fun to play with. Mashed potatoes. We've already made the gravy. So moving on to the next thing, and I am going to do red for the cranberries. I know some people don't like cranberries. I love the cranberries. I'm not sure if this is going to make my hands red. It's red, red, red. You probably can't see how red. I just got to get it mixed in a little bit more before I can pick it up. this is so pretty. I can see my hands. It's on my hands. Oh yes. We'll see if it comes off my hands. Okay, cranberries. You see the red? See if I can get it mixed in really good. Just a titch darker. Cranberries, yum. All right, here's our first plate, and we're going to move on to the next plate. I am going to start making the corn. Yellow is for the corn. The slime is just so fun to play with. To see it changing and the colors. I just like the silky smooth feel of it. And here's our corn. Next, we're going to do the salads or the green beans. So of course that's going to be green. Turning green. I could just play and play and play with this. There's our green. Green for the salad and the green beans. Now, what do you think the last is going to be? If you have a traditional Thanksgiving dinner, then probably the most traditional thing around here would be pie. And orange for the pumpkin pie. You notice I made the pie as big as the turkey. I like the pie. What's your favorite pie? So many different kinds of pies. I like to have a lot of different kinds of pies at Thanksgiving, but pumpkin is probably the most traditional. Pretty orange. You don't want to eat this slime. I made this slime with borax. Not a slime you would really eat. And there's our orange pumpkin slime. The slime for our pumpkin pie. Here's the 2 plates that are now all finished, and this is what we are going to use to make the Thanksgiving smoothie. Gonna start with our brown slime. This is the turkey and the gravy. And add the potatoes. The potatoes need to go with that gravy. It was fun coloring the potatoes white, even though the slime was already white. In goes the potatoes. And next, the cranberries. Beautiful red colored cranberries. We had the corn. You just love corn on the cob. And the salads and green beans. Remember the last one? The pie. Orange represents the pumpkin pie. But we really eat a lot of different kinds of pie. And there you have it, my friends, my Thanksgiving slime smoothie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, you take a moment and subscribe now. And be thankful every day. See you next time. Bye-bye.